Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to sort different types of data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I've got my data selection, my data set here that we're going to use today. I've expanded this a little bit. We've got 30 contestants in our race information that we want to sort. So I'm going to show you some different ways to sort this data. So the first way we can sort this, we can just select all of our data, all the contestants, and all of their data that's entered next to them. And we'll head over to this editing tab here within the ribbon, and we'll click on this. It actually states it's the sort and filter option here. So I'll click on that, and we can sort this from A to Z. So if we sort that, if I selected A to Z, you'll see it sorts the contestants in alphabetical order. So it'll always start with your selection, that the column on the left hand side. It will sort that. So if this was a bunch of numbers, it would have sorted the numbers instead of alphabetical order. We can do that for the inverse as well, from Z to A. It'll sort all the data, just to show you there. And another thing to note, if you select only a specific selection of data and you want to sort this, so this information is irrelevant, you don't need to sort this with this selection, you can still select your data, head over, and you can do A to Z. So there will be a sort warning pop up that will happen here. So this only explains that Excel sees that there is data entered next to your selection, and it wants you to know, do you want to expand your selection to sort everything, or do you only want to continue with the current selection that you made? So for this instance, we want to continue with the current selection, so I'm going to click on continue with the current selection, and you'll see it will sort only the contestant names, and it will leave all the other information as it was. So there are a couple of options here. You can do this for different columns if this data doesn't need to be sorted together. But in general, you want to sort everything together because obviously everything has been entered into your sheet to get some more data. So we'll just carry on with this. I just wanted to show you. So another option, the options are limited here, but we can do a custom sort. So we're going to click on custom sort, and from this you can actually see we can sort the contestants, we can sort from their names, we can sort from the contestant numbers, group numbers, starting time, whatever it may be that you want to sort. So, and then from this side we can sort from values, and that will be either numbers or A to Z. And of course we can do cell colors, font colors, there is conditional formatting there as well, and from this order that you want to do, you can have a custom list as well. So just to get back, let's just highlight some, let's do some random names, and we will just highlight the cells. Let's just do a plain there. Go, we'll head over to your custom sort. We want to sort the contestants, so we're selecting the contestants. You'll notice Excel automatically selected this whole selection when I went to the custom sort. It won't necessarily always be the case. Sometimes you will need to select your specific selection that you want to sort. Just take a note of that. So we're going to sort from the contestants, and we want to do the cell color. So there we'll do the yellow color that's here, and we want to add these values or these names to the top of the list. So if we press OK, you'll see it sorts the whole selection, all of the data, and it puts the cells that was highlighted at the top of the selection. So we can just do that. We can, let's do, for example, font color as well. For the font color, we go to custom sort again. Sorry, that was all was selected. Custom sort. So we're going to sort by contestants. This time we're going to do font color. This is just to demonstrate how it works. We want to put it on top. Let's put it on bottom this time. So let's say these contestants, they are disqualified for a doping test or whatever it may be. We want to, they've been highlighted in red, and we want to put them on the bottom of the sheet so we know how to remove, who we can remove from this data set. So if I press OK, you'll see everybody is there, and all the people highlighted in red will be moved to the bottom of this selection. So now you've got a couple of options to do there. Just take away all the font colors and everything. Just to get back to the custom sort, there are a bunch of options how you can sort your data. We can sort them. Let's go, for example, group numbers. We want group numbers because we at this stage we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want group 1, group 2, group 3, everybody next to each other, clear and cut. So we're gonna do a custom order. So you're going to go there. In my custom list, I've already added this 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been added into, if you don't know how to add the custom list, just check out another video of us. I've done this in a video explaining the Excel autofill options, and it was specifically the autofill handle that we have changed. So we added a list with our groups here. So I'm selecting this, and as you can see, we've got our group number. We're going to sort from our group number, and the order will be in our predetermined or our custom list. If you don't have a custom list, if you don't have this, you can always add a new list. You can just type here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can just add there, and you add it to this, and it will appear here, and you can select it. So it's easy as that. Gonna sort our group numbers. We press OK, you'll see our groups are sorted, and we can see which people are in which groups. And I'm reverting back just to show you how the sorting works, because sometimes it just looks the same if you keep on sorting everything after each other. So this time we'll do, let's sort the starting time, leaving the cell values. We're going to go smallest to largest. So this will automatically sort from, you can see we've got a 7 a.m. starting time, 7:30, and an 8 a.m. So groups 1 and 2 starting at 7 a.m. and 3, 4, 7:30, and so on. So this would be able, so everybody from 7 o'clock, you'll see that 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. So this is a couple of methods to sort your data, and there are a lot of options. You can, in this custom sort, you can do almost whatever you want to. You can sort all of your data with custom lists, and you can customize your sort just as you need it. And I hope this video was very helpful today. If you liked this video, please leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel to see more content like this, and please don't forget to leave your comments down below on what Excel videos you would like to see, or give us a detailed description of your problem you might have, and we might make a video about that. But until next time, cheers.